yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another Lazy Girl Method nail design, but this one has a little bit of an extra twist on it. You guys, I did not buy glitter polygel. I'm going to show you in this video exactly what I did. So if you want to see how I did these nails, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off by pushing back my cuticles. I do this every time I do my nails, but I usually just cut it out, but I figured I'd leave it in because you guys, I actually went out and bought a real cuticle pusher. This one's a metal one. You guys know I usually always use the plastic one, but I went ahead and upgraded and I like it. So far, so good. I will have it linked below for you guys. So of course I'm going to go in with my favorite, which is my Young Nails Protein Bond. You guys, I can't do my nails without this stuff. I'm telling you, they fall off the same day when I don't use my Protein Bond. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply 2 layers to my nails. So now I'm just going in and applying a layer of base coat to my nails. You don't want to skip this step because we are going to be applying polygel, and you just want a barrier between the polygel and your natural nail. So I have my nails already prepped and ready on the nail stand. So you guys, I was shopping for glitter polygel and I found so many options, as you guys can see on the screen. I found so many options on Amazon, but then I was just like, how often am I really going to use this glitter polygel? So I was looking in my collection and then I was just like, wait, I have all these glitters that I have. You guys remember I used to use these a couple of months back on my channel, and I was just like, wait, I think I have an idea, so I'm going to try it out in this video for you guys. Of course it worked or I wouldn't be doing this video. So let me show you guys exactly what I did. So first you're going to go ahead and apply a layer of base coat to the nail. Just guys, these nails are upside down because I'm applying everything to the inside of the nail. You know, lazy girl method. So I wanted to use this one. This is like a green and a blue mix. Super pretty. All of these glitters did come in a set, so I will have it linked down below. So what you're going to do is apply the glitter directly onto the wet base coat or top coat, whatever you choose to use as your adhesive. I'm going to be using base coat. So I just want to go ahead and basically just pack it on. Try to cover majority of the nail because you don't want any clear spots because that'll kind of defeat the purpose. So you're just going to go ahead and pack that on. And as you guys can see, I started using more of like a scooping motion and like dumping it on there because it was kind of taking a while. I'm just covering the entire nail in glitter. So after you do that, you want to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. And now I'm just moving on to the next nail and repeating those steps. So if you're wondering why I'm doing it this way instead of just putting the nails on and applying the glitter on top, because I wanted my glitter nails to have a smooth surface. I didn't want it to feel like my nails had glitter on top, and I really enjoyed the Lazy Girl method last time I tried it. If you guys don't know about the Lazy Girl method, check out Femi Beauty's channel. This is her method she came up with. I have to give her a shout out because if I don't, you guys will come for me. But it was really easy and the nails adhered really nicely because we are going to go ahead and cap these with polygel in a second. But yeah, that's pretty much why I did it this way. And honestly, I didn't want to spend money on glitter polygel. That's pretty much it. I was going to go ahead and take the polygel and just mix it with the glitter, but then I was just thinking like that's too much work. You know, I just thought that it would just take too much time for me to do that, and I feel like I would be wasting a lot of product. At least with me doing it this way, any excess glitters I have in the nail, I could just dump it back in the jar, and I'm not wasting anything, and I'm not wasting excess polygel either. So that's pretty much why I did it this way. And also with the Lazy Girl method, there isn't any filing or buffing or anything extra that goes into it. I'm pretty much just going to create these nails with the glitter, put polygel, and put the nails on. That's it. Super easy for beginners. So these are what all the nails look like after they have been cured. So now I'm going to be going in with my clear polygel. This one is by Model Ones. I will have it linked below. You guys, I'm not professional with polygel. I've only tried a few brands. If you guys have any recommendations, leave them down below for me. And I'm just using alcohol as my slip solution. So what you're going to go ahead and do is squeeze some of your polygel into the nail. So I did go a little OD with the polygel at first, but you guys will see I just end up scraping the excess polygel off. So you're just going to go ahead and take your brush. You guys, I completely ruined my polygel brush, so I'm using a makeup brush. Sue me, okay? So after you smooth that out, you're going to go ahead and place the nail onto your finger and press it down using your thumb or whatever finger you want to use, and then you just cure it. And that's how it looks, and it's on there. It's smooth, easy, okay? That's what we want, you guys. We want easy. So I'm basically going to be doing that for all of my nails. Think of it as you're encapsulating the glitter, because basically what we're doing right now, but this is also going to work as an adhesive. It's going to adhere the nail to our natural nail. It's just basically like you're killing two birds with one stone. Wow, Alima, use your words. It's like you're killing two birds with one stone. And then you're just going to go ahead and place it on your nail and then cure it under the nail lamp. You guys, I wish I could show you me curing it under my nail lamp, but the way I have my nail lamp set up, it's all on the other side of my desk, and it's just going to take a lot for me to move it because I have it set up specifically so I can fit both of my hands under it. It's very ghetto, okay? But I do plan on getting one of those small ones, like one of those handheld ones. I just need a good one, but I don't want to go too cheap because I want it to actually work. So yeah, if you guys have suggestions for that too, let me know. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and smooth that out, and I'm just removing any excess polygel because you don't want the nail to be too thick because it gets really messy really quick if you put too much. And this is the nail that I actually messed up on. If you can see, I didn't apply it close enough to the cuticle, so it kind of looks like I need a fill on this finger already. Really annoying, but you know, I'm learning. So I'm just basically just going to repeat those same steps on all of the other fingers, and I'll be right back once we get to the next step. And these are the nails after they have all been applied. I think this color is so pretty. It looks really good on my skin tone, I think. So now I'm just going in with alcohol and wiping the nails because you guys know polygel is sticky. So unless you want little fuzzies sticking to them, you might want to go ahead and wipe them. So that's what I'm doing now. And off camera, I did go ahead and buff the nails. Not really necessary, but you know, just to make them look neater, I went ahead and buffed them. So now I'm just going in with my top coat, and I'm going to go ahead and top coat all the nails. And as you guys can see, this glitter is popping. I'm not really into like the bling nails. You know, you guys know me, I'm kind of basic when it comes to my nails, but I just think this is so, I think it's so pretty. Other than that nail about to fall off basically. So annoying. But anyway, yeah, I'm just top coating them, and I'm using my IBD top coat. You guys, I'm obsessed. Can you guys see how pretty that is? Such a good color. Again, I'm going to link all of these glitters below. I think it came in like a set of 12. You guys know, if you remember a couple months back, I used to use the mess out of this glitter, but I never used this one for some reason, but it's so pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some cuticle oil. I don't know, for some reason when I do this, it just makes me just feel real professional. Y'all, I'm a mess, but yeah, it looks so cute. Oh, and I also applied some rhinestones too off camera because it's kind of boring and I need new rhinestones. But you guys, these are the finished nails. Aren't they cute? They look so cute. I love them, you guys. If you guys try this method, let me know down below. Honestly, I'll probably still buy glitter polygel, but I wanted to try this first. Obsessed. I just think they look really good, really cute, like galaxy nails. Thank you all so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.